Assalamu alaikum. If you are getting issue that Microsoft Store is not working, as it is the issue here. You can say I am looking to retry the download. It is not working. So sort this out. You have to click Windows, then Settings, and then Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot, then the additional troubleshooters. Go to the last option, Windows Store app, and click on Run the troubleshooter. It will take some time. Once it is done, your issue should be resolved. Now second method is go to the settings, and click on apps, search for store from the list, Microsoft Store. Click on it, click on advanced options, and you can check the reset option here. Click over there. Once the reset is done, go to the Microsoft again, because it is resetted, so after that it will take time to load. So once it is loaded, your issue should be resolved.